Hi there, everyone. Welcome back. Okay, so today you were asked to listen to a read aloud called Brave Irene. And it's a story about a little girl who was sent to deliver a beautiful dress to the castle. And as you listen to the story, Irene was not having a very fun time in the snowy weather, right? She was going through a lot of different problems trying to get to the castle. So, my question today is, how do you feel when it snows, right? So, we're writing about our opinion. So, before I get into my story, I want to talk to us quickly about what is our opinion. So I have a chart here, and I'm going to put it in our link below so you can refer back to it when you're writing. And it says, what is your opinion? Right? And our opinion is how you feel about something or someone, right? So I may not like chocolate, but you may love chocolate. That's our opinion, right? And we can always give a reason why we love chocolate or why we don't love chocolate. That's our opinion. We want to state our opinion. I don't like chocolate. And then we want to give a reason why we don't like chocolate. Okay? Because it's not good for you. So that's my opinion. So here we have just some example if I was to write about it. So I can say I like chocolate because, or I can say my favorite candy is chocolate because. So those are just two ways that we can express or tell or talk about our opinion. Okay, so this will be there for you to use. So let's get back to Irene and her problems going through the snow. So we want to think about our question. How do you feel when it snows? Personally, I don't like when it snows. When it snows, I feel cold and wet. So I don't like when it snows, but that's my opinion, right? So I already drew a picture of me. There's me. And I'm feeling kind of cold. And there's my snow. Right? Miss White is not a very good artist, but I try, just like a lot of us do. We try our best. And as you can see, I have labeled my picture. In my story, I wrote cold because that's how I was feeling. And there's some little lines to show that I was kind of shivering, shaking when I'm cold. Here's snow. There's me, and I label my son. Okay, and now I want to think about a sentence that I can write that matches my picture. So first I want to think about my sentence. So I'm saying that I do not like snow. So that's my opinion. So I know I want to start with my opinion. I do not like snow. Why? Because. That's a word we're going to use to tell why. Because I get cold. That's my reason. I do not like snow because I get cold. Now I know what I want to write. I'm going to go ahead and write my sentence to match my picture. So here I have two ways that I can start my sentence, right? I can say I do not like snow, or I can say I do like snow. Because maybe some of us like to snowball fight or make snow angels, so you do like the snow. For me, I'm going to start my sentence like this. I do not like snow. So watch as I write my sentence. My first word is I, and I know that's a trick word. It's one of our sight words. So I'm going to write that word I. And it's right there, right? I can copy it. Do, that's another trick word. So I'm going to write that. Not, ooh, lots of trick words in this one. I do not like is my next word. That's another trick word for us, I believe. Should be on our word wall that I have attached, our sight words. I do not like snow. And I already have snow in my label, so I don't have to worry about sounding it out again. So I can just copy it. So I'm going to write the word snow. S-N-O-W. I do not like snow because. Now that's a very big word. And I'm going to write it on my chart because I don't want you guys to really worry about that word. It's a very big word. I know it's on our sight word, on our word wall in our classroom, and it should be on the sight word paper that I have attached to this lesson. Because. I'm going to write my word because it tells me, I'm going to tell you why I do not like snow. I do not like snow because I get it's another trick word, I believe. Get. I do not like snow because I get cold. And cold is a word that I would have to kind of stretch, remember, with our rubber band, or we can tap with our fingers and listen for the sounds in the word. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of use my pretend rubber band to stretch out the word cold. C has a k sound. O. Ooh, it's making the sound of the letter O. Cold. Cold. Very good. And I'm going to put a period at the end of my sentence. So that's my sentence. I stated my opinion. I do not like snow. That's my opinion. I do not like snow. And I'm going to tell you why. Because I get cold. So that's your job today. When you're writing your story, I want you to think about Irene when she was in the snow, and I want you to answer a question. How do you feel when it snows? Do you like when it snows or not like when it snows? And I want you, I'm trying to reach for my marker, to tell us why. And I'm going to put that word in here for you. Because. And that's how you're going to tell why. It's also in the chart that I'm also going to attach for you below. It's right there, because. So you can use it when you are writing your stories today to tell us why you do not like the cold, or the snow, or why you love the snow. I cannot wait to see your pictures and how well you guys do with your sentences. Remember, we need a capital letter to start our sentence. We need a space between our words. We need a period at the end of our sentence. And remember, for those really hard words, I really want you to do your best to stretch the word out slowly, listen for the sounds that you hear in the word, and write those letters to make the word. I can't wait. Have fun.